Let's talk about incident management, the unsung hero of IT. When your favorite website crashes or your company's email vanishes, incident management suddenly becomes the most interesting thing in the world. It's the process of restoring normal service as quickly as possible and minimizing chaos when things go wrong. Without it, you get confusion, delays, and a lot of unhappy users. Think of it as the digital firefighter, keeping everything running smoothly behind the scenes. So while it may not sound thrilling, you'll be glad it exists when disaster strikes. In the world of IT, precision in language is paramount. Words matter, especially when things go wrong. An incident is defined as any unplanned interruption to a service, or any reduction in the quality or availability of a service that users depend on. Think of it as a digital hiccup, a minor disruption that needs attention. For example, if your email is just running slowly, taking longer than usual to load messages, that's classified as an incident. If, however, your email is completely down, inaccessible, and you can't send or receive anything, that's an outage. Outages mean users are unable to perform their work. Their productivity grinds to a halt. And as a result, the pressure on the IT department ramps up incredibly fast to restore services. Business impact measures how much the disruption hurts the organization, both financially and operationally. For instance, one broken printer is a minor inconvenience. But what if an entire sales team is locked out of their computers right before a critical sales deadline? That's a major problem. A major incident is a high-impact crisis that demands immediate attention and a coordinated response. It's characterized by affecting a large number of users across the organization, or disrupting critical business processes that are essential for day-to-day operations. These are the incidents that quickly escalate and get everyone's attention, from the IT department all the way up to the executive leadership team. The bigger the impact of the incident, the faster and more coordinated the response needs to be in order to minimize downtime and restore services. Major incidents are all-hands-on-deck moments requiring a full team effort to resolve. They are expensive, incredibly stressful for everyone involved, and require urgent action to fix and prevent recurrence. Every incident, no matter how big or small, follows a well-defined journey, a structured path from initial disruption to complete resolution. It begins with detection, the moment an anomaly is identified, followed swiftly by logging, then categorization, ensuring the incident is properly classified, and finally prioritization, determining its urgency and impact. From there, it moves into investigation, the deep dive to uncover the root cause, resolution, the implementation of a fix, and ultimately, closure, marking the incident as resolved. Detection is when someone, or something like an automated monitoring system, spots a problem, raising the initial alarm. It's the starting point of the entire process. Logging meticulously records the details of the incident, capturing every relevant piece of information. This process is crucial for creating a comprehensive digital trail, essential not only for tracking the incident's progress, but also for future learning and prevention. Categorization and prioritization work hand in hand to help route the issue to the right team, ensuring the appropriate expertise is applied. These steps also decide how urgently it needs fixing, allowing for efficient allocation of resources and focus on the most critical issues first. Investigation and diagnosis are the detective work, the systematic process of uncovering the underlying cause. It's about meticulously finding out what went wrong, identifying the root cause, and understanding the impact. Resolution is applying the fix, implementing the solution that addresses the identified problem. And recovery means confirming everything's back to normal, verifying that the fix has been successful and the system is operating as expected. Closure wraps it up, signaling the official end of the incident lifecycle. This involves documenting what happened, what was done to resolve it, and any lessons learned for future prevention. And then, inevitably, it's on to the next incident. The cycle begins anew. Because in the world of IT, there's always a next one waiting just around the corner, highlighting the importance of a robust and efficient incident management process. Managing incidents at scale needs more than sticky notes. Enter ServiceNow. ServiceNow is the digital hub for logging, tracking, and resolving incidents, keeping everyone on the same page. It automates routine steps, assigns tasks, and provides real-time dashboards. After the fix, the team holds a post-incident review to figure out what went wrong and how to prevent it next time. The goal isn't blame, it's learning and improving. Action items might include updating documentation, patching software, or even squirrel-proofing cables. Each review makes the team and systems a little smarter. Incident management isn't glamorous. It's not the kind of work that gets a lot of public recognition, but it's absolutely essential for stable IT operations. Without it, businesses would grind to a halt. Think of it as the unsung hero of the digital world. The real value isn't just in quickly resolving issues, but in learning from every incident, understanding what went wrong and why. It's not just fixing it and moving on to the next fire. It's about preventing the same fire from happening again. Continuous improvement turns a reactive team, constantly putting out fires, into a proactive, resilient one that anticipates problems and minimizes their impact. Best practices in incident management are about clear communication, ensuring everyone is on the same page and understands their role. It's about empowered teams, giving them the autonomy and resources they need to solve problems effectively, and fostering a culture that encourages learning from mistakes, where failures are seen as opportunities for growth and improvement. Technology will always have hiccups, glitches, and unexpected outages. It's inevitable. But strong incident management keeps disruptions brief, minimizes their impact, and ensures valuable lessons are learned from each event. So next time your tech just works, everything runs smoothly, and you don't even notice the technology behind it all. Remember the people behind the scenes? Diligently patching holes, monitoring systems, and keeping the digital kraken at bay, ensuring your digital experience is seamless. That's the quiet power of great incident management, the invisible force that keeps our digital world running smoothly.